Are you looking for a girls' night made easy? You're in the right place. Join us for Let's Get Lit GNO, a candle pouring girls' night. Gather your girlfriends for a night to spark sisterhood with connection, candle pouring, and loads of laughter. In a world of hustle and bustle, light a candle, slow down with this customized candle pouring class led by Paddywax Candle Bar. There is something magically nostalgic about the power of fragrance and its connection to emotion and moments. You'll also enjoy a guided meditation led by Megan Pokart and hear behind-the-scenes stories of real women just like you, finding joy in the middle of this crazy season. And you'll leave this done-for-you girls' night with a hand-poured candle, or maybe a few for personalized gifts, feeling lighter, more joyful, and refreshed in ways only candles and sisterhood can bring. So what are you waiting for? All you have to do is sign up for the Get Lit GNO, get Happy Mail from us with everything you need, and then gather your girlfriends for a memorable night of fun and refreshment and candle making. Just go to gnoathome.com and sign up today.